Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content about my econ or anything to do with making money online. It really does help the channel. And when you hit that bell icon, my friend, you will be notified first before anybody else that there's some new content that you can go check out. So what I want to dive into in this video is talking specifically about one of myEcon's core products. I really don't think this gets talked about enough. And when you look at, the corporate webinars or really just the main message that comes out of myEcon, it was designed to help people increase their cash flow. Obviously, pay less in taxes, increase their credit scores, all those other things. But one of the most underutilized products is the income shifting, or you can see it right there, correct your W-4. So what does that really mean and how can that help you? How can you, and please pay close attention, this is critically important. How can you, without even promoting the business, increase your cash flow? How can you get more money in your bank account every single week, every single month without even promoting the business? That's what I want to talk to you about in this video because most people, probably around 90% of people that join myEcon, want to make more money by promoting the business. And that's great. And that's why I joined. That's why most people on my team join. But when you realize that you can really increase your cash flow, I want to show you some proof, some hard proof in this video of people that are going through this process and putting real dollars and cents into their bank account. Okay. So check this out. This program is really simple and easy to do. And I'm going to kind of explain it to you so you can just get the core concept of it without me going through the entire video here. But quick intro video when you click into this. And this is exactly what you do right here. So you're going to fill out this form, and it's literally one piece of paper. You're going to watch this video. It's a simple 20-minute video, walks you through the exercise so you know how to fill out the form correctly. But chances are, if you have a job, you are paying too much in taxes every single month. That's why ultimately at the end of the year, you wish and hope for a really big fat refund. But what you want to do is you want to do it smart. You want to pay less taxes throughout the year. And at the end of the year, the goal here is to be flush. You don't want to owe any money. You don't want to get a big refund back. If you get a big refund back, that usually means that you paid too much in taxes. Now, at the end of the year, the government, if you overpaid, can say, we'll give you some of that back, or they can keep some for themselves. But you want to put the money in your hands so you can make that decision and not let the government decide how much of a refund to give you, how much you should get back versus how much you actually get back. So when you do this income shifting, you adjust that W-4. Okay, you're going to put more money back in your bank account. Now, let me show you some proof of people that are actually going through this process. Here in our Facebook group, I just made a post a little while ago, and we've had some people go through and comment on literally how much money they are saving doing this process here. So check this out. Okay, Beth just did this. She said, I saved $570 a month. So Beth did the income shifting, and we're just going to do some quick basic math here. Okay, so 570 times 12. Okay, that's now an extra $6,840 back in Beth's account, in her hands, in her actual bank account. Okay, this is real money. Okay, Mark says, I put over $700 back in my pocket every single month with this income shifting strategy. So again, just some basic math here. Okay, that's $8,400 per month. Okay, think about this. That's $8,000 a year that Mark put back in his pocket without even promoting the business and without asking his boss for a raise. Simply filled out one piece of paper, turned that into his, accounting person at work or HR professional, or submit it however, you do it at your job. And it's as simple as that. Okay. Sherry says, I thought I had it figured out, but come to find out, I was leaving an additional $400 a month on the table. So absolutely awesome. Right there. That's an extra $400 a month. 400 times 12. What? That's $4,800 a year, right? Let me just make sure my math is correct. Okay. 400 times 12. Yep. $4,800 a year that Sherry was leaving on the table. Okay. Shannon says, I gained $510 a month when she just did this. Now she just got a new job, so she's going to go do it again, make sure it's accurate, but she just gained, just do the math here. Would an extra You're seeing it right here, and these are numbers from, real people on our team. Would an extra $500 to $700 a month help you and your family? These are real numbers, guys. This is a real product and service that is available inside of your myEcon membership that you could be utilizing today. You could get started today. You could do this today. You could instantly put more money. You could increase your cash flow. And that has been the motto of myEcon since their inception 20 years ago, to help you increase your cash flow. Okay, Isabella, big number here, says I saved $780 per month. Absolutely awesome. So quick basic math, that's over $9,300 every single year. I mean, that is absolutely incredible, guys. So why aren't you doing the income shifting? Why aren't you taking why aren't you taking advantage of this program that myEcon has? It's one of their core products, and it is designed, again, to help you increase your cash flow. So not sure what you're waiting for. You can get an instant pay raise just by getting started with myEcon. So I want you to understand that these are real products that help real everyday people, and they do actually make a difference. So if you're not taking advantage of this, I don't know what you're waiting for. Give yourself a pay raise, my friend. You deserve it. Hey, if you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor, and you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Believe it or not, over 70% of the people that watch my content are not subscribed. If that's you, go ahead and smash that puppy, and also hit that bell icon so you get notified first anytime I put out new content. If you have any questions for me, left my phone number right at the top of this video, or if you're ready to get started, link in the description down below. Go ahead and get yourself in, my friend, or just go to myeconglobal.com. I'll leave the link right there on the screen for you, or you can click the link in the description down below. No, you can't click the link on the video. You have to type it into your browser if you're seeing that. So that is it, my friends. Appreciate you. Save some money. Put more money back in your pocket. You deserve it. I'll see you on the next one.